Common university entrance test done. Learn these AI skills before college starts. Congratulations, guys! You have just recently finished the CUET exam. And first of all, take a deep breath. You've survived months of preparation, mock tests, revisions, and probably enough stress to last an entire year. You've earned a break. But here's a question. What if I told you that the next 2 or 3 months could be more important than your entire first semester? You would not believe me, right? And it sounds absolutely dramatic. Maybe, but hear me out. Most students will spend this time binge watching web series, scrolling through Instagram, or waiting for college to begin. There's nothing wrong with relaxing. But what if you could spend just 30 minutes daily learning a skill that gives you an advantage before your first day of college? That's where AI comes in. Today, I'm going to share 7 AI skills you can learn before college starts. You don't need coding, you don't need expensive softwares, and you definitely don't need to be a tech genius. Let's begin. Skill number 1. Learn how to talk to AI. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They ask AI questions the same way they search on Google. For example, history notes, you get an average answer. Instead, try this. Act as my history teacher. Explain the French Revolution like I'm in class 10th. Use simple language, real life examples, and then quiz me with 5 questions. Completely different result. This skill is called prompting. Think of AI like a very intelligent assistant. The better your instructions, the better the output. And trust me, this one skill will help you in every subject you study in college. Skill number 2. Learn smart research. We have all done it. Search something online, open 10 tabs. Forget which tab had the result and the useful information, and somehow end up watching cat videos. Instead, learn to use Perplexity. Unlike many AI chatbots, it usually shows the source it used. That means you can verify information before using it in assignments or presentation. Learning to research properly will save you hours throughout college. Skill number 3. Learn from your own notes. Imagine uploading your lecture notes, PDFs, study material, and asking, explain chapter 3 in simple language. Or, what are the 5 most important concepts from these notes? That's exactly what Notebook LM helps you do. Instead of searching the entire internet, it focuses on your uploaded material. It's like having a study partner who actually read the syllabus. Skill number 4. Create amazing presentations. Here's a secret. In college, you'll probably be making more presentation than you expected. Group projects, seminars, class presentations. Instead of spending hours arranging text boxes in PowerPoint, try Gamma AI. It can generate an entire presentation from one single prompt. Then, if you want to improve the design, use Canva AI to add icons, visuals, and better layouts. Remember, AI can build the slides, but you still need to deliver them confidently. That's what impresses professors. Skill number 5. Build something before college. Don't wait until your final year to build projects. Start now. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Use Canva AI to design posters. Create a simple website with lovable or bold, even if you haven't written a code in your entire life. Are you interested in business? Create a mock startup pitch. Interested in psychology? Build an AI-powered mental wellness guide. Interested in law? Create a legal awareness chatbot using no-code AI tools. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is experience. Imagine walking into college with a project already in your portfolio. That's a great conversation starter. Skill number 6. Learn AI ethics. Now here's something most students ignore. Just because AI gives an answer doesn't mean it's correct. AI can make mistakes. It can misunderstand context. It can even confidently provide incorrect information, and that's why you should always verify important facts, especially for assignments, for research, for competitive exams. The students who stand out won't be the ones who use AI the most. They'll be the ones who use it responsibly. Skill number 7. Use AI to improve yourself. AI isn't only for studying. use it to improve your communication. Practice interview questions with ChatGPT. Improve your English using Claude or ChatGPT. Ask AI to review your resume. Practice group discussion topics and ask it to act like a professor interviewing you on your favorite subject. By the time your college starts, you'll already be more confident than you are today. Here's for the bonus tip: build an AI toolkit. You don't need to master 50 AI tools. Just start with 5. ChatGPT, learn concepts, brainstorm ideas, and practice interviews. Perplexity, research with sources. Notebook LM, study from your own notes. Gamma AI, create presentations. And lastly, Canva AI, design posters, infographic, resumes, and project visuals. Master these first, then explore more as your need grows. Remember, it's better to know 5 tools really well than 50 tools you have barely used. One final thought. When college begins, everyone will have similar textbooks. They'll have the same professors, you'll have similar classrooms, but not everyone will have the same skills. Some students will spend 4 years waiting for opportunities, others will spend 4 years creating them. And AI can help you do exactly that. So don't think of this break as a time between school and college. Think of it as your head start. Because while everyone else is waiting for college to teach them new skills, you can walk into your first classroom already prepared for the future. And who knows, by the end of your first year, you might not be just looking for internships. Companies might be looking for you. If you found this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe. And do follow our WhatsApp channel for regular updates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you.